Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left. Later that we divide both sides by 1 minus s squared. Next, we have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So that is about mu s. So we have e to the power of the integral. So we see that this one with negative next to y, that is for integrating factor. So I will put this one going here. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 ln of the absolute value of 1 minus s squared. So in this situation, we don't need to use the absolute value. So we have ln of 1 minus s squared. And now number 1 over 2 go inside about natural law in here. And we have 1 minus s squared, everything to the power of 1 over 2. And now we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one we can simplify it, and we have s over 1 minus s squared to the power of 1 over 2. This one we can simplify. And we have like this. Next, we need to integral for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So in this one, we can see that first derivative of a multiplied by b, this one that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. The integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y multiplied by 1 minus s squared to the power of 1 over 2. Now, the integration of this one, that is about 1 over the square root of 1 minus s squared. Because the square root, that is about 1 over 2. And this one, that is about r sine of s, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.